Welcome to the Weekend Workshop. This is the very first video of my new channel, this feels so weird. I am Ben Crowe from Crimson Guitars and the Vintage Tool Shop, or the vintagetool.com I suppose is the thing to say. Predominantly you might know me as a guitar builder, and my channel is Crimson Custom Guitars. And there I generally teach people how to build guitars, and we do many other videos based on that side of my life. It is not my entire world though. Guitar building is one of those crafts where people, and a lot of people, including many woodworkers, they think that guitar making is a pinnacle of achievement. And frankly, I think if you can build a good Maloof styled rocking chair, for example, or something like that, that takes as much, if not more, skill, or at the very least a different set of skills. And I spend a lot of my time watching other YouTubers with other skill sets making things, from wood turning to carving to leather work or sculpture or sign writing, and watching these people always gives me a couple of reactions. One is, that looks so fun and I know I could do that. It's going to be fun to see whether this is actually true or not. And the other thing is, I wonder how I can work that into building a guitar. And that is the whole purpose of this channel. I've wanted an excuse to completely go off, totally off-piste. I digress a hell of a lot in my normal videos. My videos are Crimson, and that will happen here. But I want to completely digress from my life and try things I've never tried before. Now, this will include tool making. I'm going to be making planes, not just Krenov style woodworking planes made out of wood. I'm going to go down the full dovetailed route, infill planes. I'm going to be making router planes, Stanley 71 style things, various different designs of those. And I'm going to make boxes and draw units, predominantly hand tools as much as possible. I'm going to be playing around with vintage tools. I'm going to show you some of the tools from my other business, the Vintage Tool Shop, which is at thevintagetool.com. I'm going to be learning how to turn, because I have bought 3 lathes over the last 20 years. Wow. And that was a pressing realization of how old I am now. I've bought 3 lathes and then sold them on because I've never had the time to do it. Now I am promising you that I'm going to do a video a week for the next year learning how to turn. To date, I've done some turning on an engineer's lathe, quite a lot of tool making in that, although that's a different thing. And I have made 2 things on a woodworking lathe. And I want to, within a year, be at a professional level as a turner, to the point where the challenge is actually going to be, within a year, to have a gallery exhibition of stuff that I've turned. I really think that it's going to be fun trying. Carving. I'm going to be doing some carving. I really want to bring in an interesting tool or a carved toy or something like that, and then try and replicate it. The way that they used to make old fret saws, for example, out of rosewood is just insane. I have rosewood. I've got offcuts from the guitar business. I'm going to use these. Now, obviously, I have a lot going on. The schedule is going to be interesting. There will be 1 weekly video on turning, possibly a project a week, or maybe part projects. We'll see how that goes. And I'm hoping that there will be another type of video once a week. So there'll be 2 videos a week, hopefully. It very much depends on how insane this gets. And this is sort of a pre-video. The videos are going to start coming out in February, but this is just a heads up of what my plans are. As is so often the case with me and my life, I have so many things that I want to do, and it's going to be really hard to figure out in which order to do them. I'm so excited. I'm going to have little palpitations. Anyway, this is going to be interesting. Please click like and subscribe. If you haven't seen Crimson Guitars yet, check out Crimson Custom Guitars. There'll be a link below. And thank you very much for watching. I'm looking forward to this journey. I feel ever so slightly insane. At Crimson, I started making guitars in my shed at the end of the garden. I did that for 7 or 8 years and was really struggling because I was building them really slowly in order to build them properly and therefore not making very much money. I started making videos, I started making luthier's tools, and 5 or 6 years later I have 18 staff or so and a huge workshop and a little bit of free time to spend making more videos on a new channel in a completely different direction. So this is going to be cool. Thank you for watching. I will see a hell of a lot of you soon, and I hope this is enjoyable. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. I just want to get making.